Hi students, today I'm going to share with you some thoughts I have about answering questions from paper 2. Let me give you an example. Explain why lead reacts with nitric acid but gold does not. So as I read through this question, I see two requirements that I have to answer. Number one, explain why lead reacts with nitric acid, and number two, we have to explain why gold does not react with acids. How would you answer this question? Let me share with you some answers that I have seen from my students. Student 1 says gold is an unreactive metal and a transition metal that is typically used as a catalyst. So as I read through this question, saying that it is an unreactive metal may be the best attempt at answering why gold does not react with an acid. However, by mentioning that it is a transition metal as well as a catalyst, doesn't tell me why gold can react with an acid. And there's also another fundamental issue here. There was no mention of lead. Okay, so as we recall the requirement, we are supposed to answer why lead can react with nitric acid, and it is not shown anywhere in the answer why lead can react with nitric acid. So if I were to mark this, I'm going to award 0 marks for this answer. Question 2 says lead is higher in the reactivity series than gold, therefore lead is a more reactive metal than gold and can react with acids. Gold is the least reactive metal in the reactivity series and does not react with acids. As I read through this answer, all I'm reading is lead is more reactive than gold, and also gold is the least reactive metal in the reactivity series, therefore it does not react with acids. So if I were to mark this question, I will at most give 1 mark for this, because by saying that gold is the least reactive metal in the reactivity series may give an indication of its reactivity and therefore explain why it does not react with an acid. However, by telling me gold is less reactive than lead, or lead is more reactive than gold, doesn't allow me to figure out why lead can react with acids. How do we improve on this answer then? So my thought process for this question would be to focus on why lead can react with an acid. So we have learned before from our metals chapter this very important concept: metals above hydrogen in the reactivity series can displace hydrogen from acid, therefore can react with acids. So as we can see here, lead is above hydrogen in the metal reactivity series, therefore lead can displace hydrogen from its acidic solution, and therefore lead should be able to react with acids. However, gold is below hydrogen in the reactivity series, and gold cannot displace hydrogen from its acidic solution, therefore gold cannot react with acids. So this is my suggested answer. We should mention lead being above hydrogen in the reactivity series, resulting in lead being able to react with nitric acid, because lead can displace hydrogen from the nitric acid. So in point number 2, we have to mention gold is below hydrogen in the reactivity series, therefore gold cannot react with nitric acid, as gold cannot displace hydrogen from nitric acid. So I hope this gives you a better understanding of the mindset you should have, how to answer structured questions. Go through your answers again and see, have I fully answered the question based on the requirements in the question. Okay, so I hope everyone will do very well in your upcoming prelim exams. So I will see you again very soon. Bye bye.